There are 22 questions topic-wise in this video. The answer will be displayed 10 seconds after each question. Don't forget to comment how many were correct. Good luck. Assertion: the first stage of gametophyte in the life cycle of moss is protonema stage. Reason: protonema develops directly from spores produced in capsule. Identify the pair of heterosporous pteridophytes among the following. Family Fabaceae differs from Solanaceae and Liliaceae. With respect to the stamens, pick out the characteristics specific to family Fabaceae but not found in Solanaceae or Liliaceae. Axial placentation is observed in Statement I. Endarch and exarch are the terms often used for describing the position of secondary xylem in the plant body. Statement 2. Exarch condition is the most common feature of the root system. Assertion: latewood has fewer xylary elements with narrow vessels. Reason: cambium is less active in winters. Cellulose does not form blue color with iodine because among eukaryotes, replication of DNA takes place in which of the following stages of meiosis involves division of centromere? The process of appearance of recombination nodules occurs at which substage of prophase I in meiosis? Movement and accumulation of ions across a membrane against their concentration gradient can be explained by Statement I. The forces generated by transpiration can lift a xylem-sized column of water over 130 meters height. Statement 2. Transpiration cools leaf surfaces sometimes 10 to 15 degrees, by evaporative cooling. Which micronutrient is required for splitting of water molecule during photosynthesis? How many ATP and NADP are required for the synthesis of one molecule of glucose during Calvin cycle? The reaction center in PS2 has an absorption maxima at Assertion: ATP is used at two steps in glycolysis. Reason: first, ATP is used in converting glucose into glucose 6-phosphate, and second, ATP is used in conversion of fructose 6-phosphate into fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Spraying of which of the following phytohormone on juvenile conifers helps in hastening the maturity period that leads to early seed production? In tissue culture experiments, leaf mesophyll cells are put in a culture medium to form callus. This phenomenon may be called as which hormone promotes internode/petiole elongation in deep water rice? Large, colorful, fragrant flowers with nectar are seen in In angiosperm, the haploid, diploid and triploid structures of a fertilized embryo sac sequentially are. What is the function of tassels in the corn cob? Thanks for watching.